The purpose of this short video is to demonstrate how to use the Copy Map feature that's in Curriculum Mapper 2010. So go ahead and log into Mapper. Once you're in, you want to select My Maps. So you need to be logged in as you and in your own maps to start the feature. Once you're in, you would select Copy Map. Make sure the map that you want to copy or the month you want to copy in currently doesn't have an existing map. So my January is bolded, so it currently has an existing map in it. These are current months that do not have any maps in them, so these are ones where I could copy an existing map into it. So select Copy Map, and I want to copy a 7th grade math, so I select Central Middle School. If I were looking to copy a Carpenter map, I would click Copy or select Carpenter. Just depends on what you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to Mr. Taki's 7th grade math map. And then if I wanted to copy all months or roll over the whole entire year, I would hit Add All Months. But I don't want to do that, and it would not allow me to do that because I currently have existing maps in the 2011-2012 school year. And let's say I want to copy his September into mine. So I hit Add This Month Map. Then it's going to ask you to select the course that you want to copy it into. Because I have a district account, I have all the courses within the district. You'll just have the courses probably that you're responsible for. So district level PD, I want it for this year, and I want to put it into my September map. And click OK. So get it set to your course, your year, and then the month you want to copy it into, and click OK. And right up here it says Map Copied. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to Copy Maps and back to my map list. And there it is, September. So I'm going to double click and make sure it all came over with it. And it has. So it looks like the whole map is there. The standards icons are there, but I just want to double check and make sure the standards themselves copied over. So I'm going to go ahead and click Show Standard. And it looks like everything that's supposed to have come over with the map is there. You go to a smaller view and just click Show Icon and go back. Now we've had issues where the icons have not copied over. We've had some issues, or Curriculum Mapper itself, the software, has had issues with keeping up with browser changes in Firefox, Safari, and Explorer. So I'm just going to double check. A while ago I copied Lindsay Ryan's reading map into my April. I want to see what that looks like. Okay, so it's showing the old standards icons from the older version, or Curriculum Mapper Classic. So I just want to make sure the standards are still attached with those older icons. And Lindsay has never used Curriculum Mapper Classic, so we know that there's glitches in the system, but it looks like all the actual standards themselves have copied over. And once they get the bugs fixed within the software to match up with the current versions of Firefox and Safari, we shouldn't have any issues. So for now, it's just going to show the old icons, or for some of you, I know it has not shown any icon at all. So just to double check and make sure the standards themselves came over, just click Show Standard and make sure they're there. If they're not there, what you can do is go back to your map list, click on that month, and I want to delete this map. So I'm going to delete Lindsay's map that I copied in. And I can go back and try and recopy it. So we'll do that. And she's at Carpenter. That's 4th grade reading. I believe it was her October that I copied. So I'm going to add this month, and I want it to go into my April district PD map. Select April, the 2011-2012 school year. Click OK. Says it's successfully copied. So I'm going to go back and check on it and see what's happened here. I put it into April, and it's done the same thing again. It's showing the classic icons, but the standards are there, so I'm just going to wait and make sure once the bug fixes with the new browser have come out that it's correct. But as of right now, it looks like everything's there and it's saved and I'm ready to go and move on.